Okay, this is me. I want to prepare one of the salads I normally eat. This is my lifestyle. You know, I have so many salads I eat. Mixed vegetable salads, carrot salads, so many of them. But today, I want to prepare this salad today. I normally take this salad first thing in the noon because I take my first meal by noon. So I want to use this salad as my first meal today. Now, what do I have? I have here my avocado, I have my cucumber, I have onions, and I have my tomatoes. I'm going to use this salad. I'm going to use these vegetables to make the salad I normally like to eat. And I so much like this salad because it helps me maintain a flat stomach. It helps me burn fat, tummy fat, belly fat, you know, and also it's also good for the cells of the body. Okay, so this is how I prepare my salad. First of all, the avocado, I'm going to remove the peels of the avocado, the back of the avocado. I'll remove it. And then I put it in the plate. I'll do the other one. I have 3 avocados here, but I'm just going to use one. One is fine. I'll remove the second one. Then I chop my avocados into small pieces, just a little bit like this. The avocado has to be very soft and ripe. Very soft avocado and ripe. That is what I used for this salad. Then I go to my tomatoes. I chop my tomatoes into cube shapes. I chop my tomatoes into good shape. Oh, I can't just wait for me to eat this delicious meal. I cut my tomatoes into cube shapes. Okay, I put in my tomatoes. I take my onions, and chop it into small cube shapes as well. Just dice them to cube shapes. It's not too tiny. The onion shouldn't be too tiny. Take the other one. Okay, I drop it in here. And lastly, I take my cucumber. I also chop it into, I dice it into cubes, not so small though. Dice it into cubes. Okay, and then I turn my, oh, so I have my plate of avocado, tomatoes, onions, and cucumber, and I just mix it up like this, mix it all together. Wow. I normally like more avocados, so I'm going to add some more avocados into the salad. Avocado has a healthy fat. It's plant fat and it's very healthy. So I'm just going to chop the well-ripe avocado and just spread it on top of the salad. Sometimes I use dressing, sometimes I don't. But most of the time, it's either lemon dressing or olive oil dressing. So this is my salad. Well prepared, mixed vegetable avocado salad. I love to eat this. My salad is ready. So I'm good to go. Please come and join me. It is delicious. So delicious. If you like this video or you want, you can try it out. If you like the video, you can just like, share, comment, and subscribe so that anytime I drop my videos, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.